Ms. Bhavani Swaminathan is a nutritionist and a holistic wellness coach. She is the founder of Akansha Desire for Wellness and a member of Indian Dietetic Association. It is her deep desire to help individuals understand how to eat consciously. Her prime aim is to spread the word of magic that one's own kitchen can create. In her upcoming series, Nani K Nuske, she shares her granny's simple time-tested remedies for various common health issues.
Namaskar, I am Bhavani Swaminathan, founder of Akanksha Desire for Wellness. Once again, I would like to thank the committee members of HELP for giving me this platform to share my knowledge and views. Thank you so much, HELP. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss something which I can say that this is a very favorite topic for all of us, and that is how to get that glow on the skin naturally. Because most of the time what we do is we spend a lot of money buying so many cosmetics and putting inside our what is the dressing table, so many cosmetics, but actually you feel that it doesn't work. But what I say is our Indian kitchen has got all those ingredients which can actually bring that natural glow on our skin without spending, without emptying your pockets. So I have got, few ingredients. I got it from my kitchen and put it on my table to specially show it to all of you. So let us quickly begin with those secret ingredients, or those, ingredients which are there in the kitchen to give that glow on our skin. First one is the turmeric powder. Now this is the what you can call it as the strong weapon in our kitchen, which is used to boost immunity, and whole world is now looking at this turmeric powder. Now people are having turmeric latte and everything. So this is the best. I feel that this is the best thing. Haldi powder is the best thing, which will give, which will remove the tan from your skin and which will give a natural glow. You need to just take two, half teaspoon of haldi powder, add little bit of curd to it, dahi to it, and little bit of lemon juice to it. And if you apply and keep it for, 5 or 7 minutes, and then wash it off, you will actually see the difference in few days. The second super ingredient in our kitchen is milk. Okay, so milk is high in calcium and protein and all these things we know. So if you need to just take, say for example, small katori of milk, just dab cotton into it and just wipe your face. So it's a natural cleansing, agent. So it is going to clean your face. It is going to, clean your pores. The another ingredient which I love this, and that is almonds. So almonds are very rich in vitamin E, and usually we buy a lot of vitamin E capsules and all to get that glowing skin. All you need to do is there are two ways of using these almonds. One is, if your schedule is very hectic, you don't have much time to invest on this, you don't have time to do all these things. So what you can do is just, and in a weekend, you in a mixer jar, just make a fine powder of these almond and store it in an airtight container. So that is going to remain for several months. Nothing will happen. You just need to take out half or 1 teaspoon of this almond powder, add either milk or dahi to it or honey to it, whatever you want, and then just apply on your face. Keep it for 7 to 8 minutes and just wash it with tap water. That's one way you can do. Another, if you have little more time and if you want to get that real natural glow on your skin, so in that case what you can do is take, say, 10 to 12 almonds, soak it in water for 1 or 2 hours, and then churn it in mixer. You make a fine paste of this and put it inside your refrigerator, and as and when you require, you can apply it, keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. But the only problem with this paste is you cannot store it for a longer time. So you have to finish it, say, within 1 week or 10 days. So you cannot keep it more than that. Now another ingredient in our kitchen is cucumber. Now cucumber is really really cooling. Now we eat cucumber in salad, we make cucumber juice and all. So cucumber is equally very good for our skin. If you have dark circles and if you want to get rid of those dark circles, usually what people do is just cut it and place it on the eye. So you can do another thing which can be done is you can just make a paste of cucumber in a mixer, and this also you can store it in refrigerator for 7 to 10 days and just dab cotton into that cucumber mixture and then keep it on your eyes for 5 to 7 minutes every day. If you do this, you will after some days you will find that there's a difference. And this is again one more super ingredient in our Indian kitchen, that is lemon. We drink lemon in the form of, morning when we get a people who are very health conscious, they go for this lemon juice with warm water and honey, and lemon shikanji, and there are so many things with lemon we make. Lemon is an excellent bleach. So you need to just take few drops of lemon and then apply it on your skin if you want to get rid of that tan, if you want to give a your skin complexion, if you want to make it little lighter. So lemon plays a very important role in this. Only little problem will be it itches a lot, it gives that burning sensation. So make sure that if you can if you're mixing it with either honey, or you're mixing it with curd, so that the itching will be little lesser. But then it's really really wonderful, it works wonders. Another super ingredient in our Indian kitchen is dahi. Like dahi is something, curd, again it's yogurt, is we know it is very good for our stomach, gut health. So even it is very good for our skin. So it is also a natural bleach. So you can apply dahi as it is on your skin. You can just massage it for 2 to 3 minutes, leave it for 5 minutes, and then wash it with plain water. Another ingredient in our Indian kitchen is this masoor dal. This also, after this almond, I love this because this is again a very excellent skin tightening face pack you can make out of masoor dal, that is this pink dal. There are two ways. One way is you can make a scrub. What you have to do is just grind it in the mixer and store the powder for it. It can be stored for even 1 month, so that's not an issue, but it will be little coarse. So you can add either milk or dahi to it, and then if you apply it on your face, it will be a natural face scrub. And if you want to give if you want to after the age of say 35 or 40, skin starts sagging, so little bit of we see those wrinkles on our skin. So to get rid of these wrinkles and these sagging thing, what you can do is just soak, say for example, one small katori of masoor dal in water, say for half an hour, and then make a fine paste in the mixer, and you can store this paste for say 7 to 10 days in refrigerator. Now apply this paste on the face and leave it for 10 minutes, so it will become very tight. So it's a very good face mask. Then you wash it with plain water and apply a little bit of moisturizer or whatever you are using, or maybe the milk cream, the natural milk cream which is there in the milk, that you can apply. So this is going to tighten your skin. Though I won't say it's a last ingredient, but there is a lot of other ingredients, but for today this is the last ingredient, that is the papaya. Papaya is again excellent for the skin. We know that papaya fruit is very good for our health. So when you need to just take cut few pieces of papaya and then put it in the mixer, make a paste, apply this paste on the face, and then keep it for 8 to 10 minutes and wash it off. So these are few of the ingredients today which I discussed, which will actually bring a lovely glow on your skin naturally, that too, and you're not spending, you're not emptying your pockets, going out and buying so many cosmetic things. These are the things which are easily available in our kitchen. So hardly you need 4 to 5 almonds, say hardly you need 3 to 4 teaspoon of masoor dal, just one small piece of papaya, maybe 2 teaspoon of milk or curd, just 2 drops of lemon. So these are the things which we can incorporate to get that glowing skin on your face. days you can use all these things, but the only condition is you have to do this regularly, because these are the natural things. You cannot expect that 1 or 2 days you have done and then you've stopped doing this and then you will get that glow. No, it won't happen. So you have to be very regular and sincere in your regime in applying all these things. So naturally, automatically, after some days you will get that glowing skin. Thank you so much.
Help Talks are daily health related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information, visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.